We finally made it to orbit and opened up the payload bay doors and deployed the radiators and put out the KU band antenna, and we were ready to operate in a really short time. And this gives you an idea how easy it is to get around in there. You just float in and out of the seat, and this is a configuration on orbit with our little computer that told us where we were in the world, and one CRT running most of the time, and alone on the flight deck while the other guys are busy doing science. And John's taking pictures out the window there with a 35 millimeter camera and a 105 millimeter lens on it that we borrowed from the guys in back. And once we got the hatch open, the science crew started heading back to the space lab to crank it up, and they'll tell you about that.
Here we are, we're just floating back to open up the Space Lab hatch and now enter the Space Lab for the first time. And it was just the way we left it on the ground, not a thing had come apart, and it looked almost like home, just like our trainers would have been over at the Marshall Space Flight Center in the payload crew training area. And felt very, very comfortable moving on in here and beginning to activate the Space Lab. Have a few valves to throw and various pieces of equipment to turn on. And let's see, I guess we're just going through some...
Sal.
Oh yeah, this is SAL operations here.